You can expect making $100 to several hundred with this method. Today we're specifically going to be using Midjourney and Fiverr. We're going to upload our gig onto Fiverr and then we're going to use Midjourney to complete that gig. After you create a Midjourney account, you'll be led to this Discord page right here. And what you can do is try to generate AI images. So you go to one of these rooms and you type in imagine and you'll see prompt and you can type in a prompt. For this video, let's do something a little bit more ridiculous just to show the power of this AI. So I'm gonna do a sea of stars in the cosmic galaxy with a big giant purple snake. That sounds ridiculous enough. Let's run it. While it's generating, you can also see other people generating their AI, and you can see that this person is trying to generate logos. This one has very nice art. Like, look at the logos. Like, there's a lot of possibilities with this AI tool. You can just see there's just a lot of variations of all kinds of things, from logos to just like weird art, and our things finished generating. So you can see that it looks honestly, for the description I gave, it looks pretty good. After you finish editing your art, you go to the Midjourney website, you log in with your Discord, and you'll be led to a page like this. Here you can find all the art that you have generated, all collected in this gallery. And you can see this, the snake one. I also generated some other art that you can see on the right here. The Godzilla, the showing buildings in New York with some lightning, fire, some rain. Did a great job of that. And I have a couple other things on the bottom. Now that you know how Midjourney works, we're gonna see some services and gigs that people are offering on Fiverr for this service that you can just copy. So for digital art, there's plenty of people offering their gigs for digital art. You're definitely gonna have to start at $5 because you're new, you don't have reviews. But yeah, you can build your way up, and this takes no time at all. Logos, you saw logos back in the Discord server. There's a lot of logos that can be generated with Midjourney, and we can also do wallpaper. That's also another option. There's just too many options, man. There's too many options. If you're creative enough, you can definitely make money with this. I try to keep the video short and sweet, and if you like content like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.